If you do a lot of traveling, I think you might want this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you this. I'm really excited about picking it up. This is something that I have wanted for a long time and just never sprung for it. But I've got some travel coming back up again here. And one of the things that I've hated when I have gone traveling is you pack your luggage, your suitcase, and then you're unpacking it when you get to your hotel. And if you were going to be somewhere for a few days, you really do want to unpack it so that you know where things are, your unmentionables, your shirts, your pants, whatever. And one of the things that I always thought is, man, it would be nice if everything were more organized so that I don't have things just laying out or I'm not digging through my bag. And this little device here, for as slim and as small as it looks, is like a nylon collapsible clothing organizer. So I'm really excited about this. Obviously, when it is empty like this, it's only about an inch thick. It's got a little bit of weight, not because of the nylon, but there seems to be a metal frame that goes all the way around, and I think each of these layers has a bit of a metal frame to give you that shape. You can see the edges here are sewn over, so you don't have to worry about that nylon frame. But like I said, if you are familiar with camping tents or, you know, outdoor sunscreen tents or something, you've got all that. We also have a little nylon handle right on the top. So if I pull this open, and you can see there are zippers here, and if I open this up, what the reveal here is this whole thing comes packaged inside out. So what we have here are some expandable shelves that will open up, and so if I open it up like this, now we're kind of out of that travel pack mode. But if I turn it inside out, now what we have here is something pretty clever. So I have this big compartment right here, and this compartment is actually the bottom. So 6 or 7 inches tall right here, and what I can do is I can zip this up. So I will zip this bottom flap closed here, and I'm just gonna flip this over, and now what you have is this zipper on the front that I can access this. It's almost like a shelf in a bookcase. So I can put some stuff in here, particularly things that I wanna keep separated, and this is the area that I would actually use my dirty laundry. So, you know, you sweated in a shirt, your old socks, what have you, you can put this in here, close this up, and this is gonna kind of contain it, especially any of that smell, you know, and still let it vent a little so that any moisture might wake off. So I love the fact that you have this bottom piece here, which is pretty large, and you can put stuff in there that you can separate away. Now, if I show you the top here, what we have are a couple of straps that adjust as well as unbuckle. So you could actually place some stuff on the top, especially when you're packing it, you know, a suit coat, a blazer, things like that, that you just want to fold over once or twice and have over there. But we also have on the sides here these 2 metal hooks, and these metal hooks will go over the bar in a closet, and this will hang down on. And the reason that's important is because now what you can do is unhook these little buckles, and if I lift it up by the hooks, it expands out, and now we have shelves. So what's really cool about this, and you can see these shelves have a metal wire, like a metal bar going all the way around. So that's what gives them their shape. They kind of hang like a little hammock inside. But now with this little piece of gear right here, what I can do is I can pack my shirts, I can pack my socks, I can pack my pants, those types of things all in there. And then I can compress them all down like this, clip these back together, put it in my luggage and roll out with it. And then when I get to the hotel, I can just pull this out of my bag, hang it up in the closet, and now I have all my clothes packed exactly the way they were when I left, and now organized so that I don't have to rummage through my bag. So you can see 1, 2, 3 shelves. The top one. And one of the things that I also like is that right up here on the top shelf, there are 2 little slim pockets right here so that you could put in things right there that are really small. Maybe some slippers or some toiletries, ties, handkerchiefs, those types of things right in the top. Pretty cool. And they got a little larger down here. I'd say these are about 6 inches tall on these, and then, you know, 6-inch tall compartment down here. And you don't have to use it for laundry, but that's kind of what my plan is. I love the fact that you get like this perforated mesh material on the side, so you're going to get nice breathability, you know, nothing's going to get musty or stale, and then it all compresses back up. And again, just cinch everything back up with these straps on the top, put it back in your carry-on luggage, and roll out with it. I want to just give you some dimensions here. This one was the larger one. I have seen these in kind of a smaller format, but I really wanted the large ones. 18 inches top to bottom, and then from side to side, this is basically 1 foot, just a little under 12 inches, about 11.5 inches wide. The fully extended top to bottom here is 19 inches. So quite a bit of little shelving here. Certainly you could hang this up in your closet at home and just use it to give yourself more storage, you know, if you live in an apartment or something like that. But for me, it's great to be able to have all the things, pack up easily, put it together, and roll out with it. So if you want to pick this up for your next travel adventure, I would highly recommend it. I'll put a link to this one, but you can get it in other colors in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.